It's bark box time. So Bandit is pretty excited about what's in this bark box. I hope you guys are too, and you stick around and see. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. This little curly tail guy here, this is Bandit, and this is his bark box. So I did open this up on my own for a kind of a multi-unboxing so that people could see a variety of different things. But as promised, you know, you guys want to see Bandit get his toys. So it is Ye Howl Nashville is the theme. He knows what this box is. Are you going to get in? What are you going to get in and take? Oh, he's already gotten in and taken something. So while he's playing with that, I will show you, and he will let that go. We have this hot chicken squeakwitch. What's this chicken squeakwitch? Hold on, let me show them. We have these little boots made for squeaking, and there are two of them, and maybe I can get these disconnected. All right, Bandit. Bandit, come here. Come on. Come get these. Which one do you want? Do you want Ye or Howl? You pick. He went with Howl. And his chicken sandwich went under the TV table. Then we have some Fuddy Nutties and Clucky Yummies. These are chicken with parsley and thyme. And these are, I think, peanut with honey. Go with this. These are kind of yum. They're shaped like Cheerios on steroids. What do you think? They're good? You like them? You approved? They're Bandit approved? Bandit approved. And then the chicken ones are little triangles. Also Bandit approved. Then the little extra is fruit and veggies. This is a superfood meal topper. So you're going to mix this on top of your dog's food. And it's got, let's see, sweet potato, strawberry, green bell pepper, apple, and blueberry. That's all that's in here. And you're just going to throw it on top and it makes a nice meal. That's for tomorrow. And then inside, we have just like information, kind of cute stuff. Did you know? No, you're not going to eat that. When it comes to high frequencies, dogs can tell the difference between notes like C and C sharp, and can even distinguish a eighth step between the two notes. But somehow they're still unable to hear, hey, don't eat that. On the back, there's a little hat that you can cut out and put on. Bandit won't allow that. He just will not. He just has, nope, he's not going to let me do that. All right, so that is our bark box, and let me know your thoughts. It is super cute. You can only get it with a subscription, but if you just wanted to get a one-time box, you could always subscribe, and then just make sure to cancel after like a week or so once you know that your order is in. If you just want to give it a try, although, I mean, my dogs love it. So, check them out if you're interested. The information will be down below. And please consider hitting like and subscribe, you know, for Bandit. And hit that notification bell, and hopefully, I'll see you soon.